City, if you fuck with the kid, make some motherfucking noise! this out. First off, I want to thank everyone who stood the lines, motherfucker, all the people in the front row, everyone in the wing line, that cool ass shit. Thank you. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, it's pretty fucking late, but not too late for some goddamn ragers, motherfucker. So thank you guys for staying. And so, I hope that I inspire y'all before. I mean, just like you guys pay homage by standing in line, waiting to come in here, I want to pay homage to someone who helped me get to where I'm at. So just feel this shit. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get a back, get a back. Put your hands up. I'm front, put your hands up. 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 Bounce, 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 bounce. Arms are heavy, it's bombing on the sweater already. Arms spaghetti. But on the surface, she looks calm and ready to drop bomb. But it keeps the heart from game when you broke down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out. Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Overblast. Snap, snap, snap. Off this whole family. Off the whole family. Choke. He's so rapid. No, he's not having it. No, he's so rapid. He's so rapid. He's so rapid. He knows where he goes. This overhaul. Back to the lab. We know this whole thing. We're gonna go back to this moment. You gotta lose yourself. You better never let it go. You already did great job. It's not the point of the march. Once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself. You better never let it go. You already did great job. It's not the point of the march. Can I show y'all what I'm from, New York? Kills. Man, I'm so clean. It's a goddamn shame. So inside of a goddamn gang. Said you ain't heard of a goddamn name. You better ask around here. I'm a goddamn kid. You gotta pull my bro through the goddamn streets. Earn my stripes like a goddamn piece. Turn it up more. Sure, still got sleeves and I'm good from the high school. 116 motherfucker, this me. Kill. Torch the thing. Still roll, still black. Where else the bang? With the same hoes ass. Had to let the name. I'm still a little white boy out of shape. But I go hard. No, but you don't wanna test my cheek. Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4,000 soldiers at EST. Down. Yeah, you know what I'm looking out for? Yeah, I rep my state, I love my side of the town. King out of this shit. I'll go with flow. So don't come around for the evening. Does New York have the sexiest girls in the fucking planet? Is your name Brianna? What up, girl? We talked about shit. We talked about Shade 45 yesterday, right? Yeah, what up? Thanks for calling in and being a goddamn gangster. Happy fucking birthday. Yo, this is a little story about when I had sex with the boombox. I stuck my cock in a boombox like this, and the song came out a little something like this. Oh shit. Repeat like 1, 2, 3, everybody put on. Yeah, everybody over here put on. Put on, put on. Everybody right here put them on. Put them on, put them on. Yeah, everybody over here put them on. Here I go. 2 clicks over the box. Whoever thought she would have found them in the stereo. 2 half off in the block. She 16. Every morning I walk to school. She ain't worried about these other little kids. She told me every day saying something new. And you always gonna hear this kids. Yeah, she takes me out. Just so the rock can see. Told me she wanted the world to know. So she makes me laugh. But the whole clock wants me. But I'm all her. She's all mine. There's all girls that like me inside. I'm ready when I do just fine. You don't wanna sleep without me. That's why I say it. Hey! good though. There's some foul bitches out there. Bounce, 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 Tell me what is everything left? Oh shit. Oh, so you want to do this for the fans then? Yeah, we want to do it for the fans. He was a fan shit. Where the motherfucking fans at?
Let me tell y'all something though. When they say EST for the people, he mean that shit. You know what I'm saying? The voice of the people. It's straight from the motherfucking jungle. Taking the best, but I'm ready to walk. I never gonna stop me. The whole city on my back. But I ain't gonna stop. My heart like an angel. I'ma shut up, put up with no penis. No one knows me. I'm real hard when I get this thing. If y'all hear that, please, I'll pick y'all. And I'm never trying to back again. Cause I'm live on the track again. I don't know what's face in the streets out here. Too strong to not know what's happening. Real attacks again. Real attacks again. This shit is unexpected. Welcome to the shit town. What happened? You know, this motherfucker on the back of the air. You don't give a never. Let you never die. And I ain't got anything to say. What am I? Who's out here? Y'all tell me to let the name flow. When I name the name. Can't nobody talk with me. I'm on another one. Ain't nobody else with me. I'm gonna put that on the don't act like you ain't count. It's a hot shit, you can't out. This white bottom, who gon' stop me? ESP, gonna treat like that. Who gon' stop me? You gon' stop me? Put your hands up! Lace up, yeah. Hit me like clowns. Clowns, 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 I better put it from the tongue out. Everybody be thinking they're pulling the game and looking home. Put his flesh from the tongue out. Yeah, be pull out. Back to the sound bag. Whenever I go, like I'm strung out. You think that's the middle of the pair of them no touch. Lace up, looking like it's gonna run out. Look at who I'm put out. Every show in every single city, I thought that you want to let people come out. Every single stage, I'm all of them come out. Yeah, ESP and so I'm blowing the out. And that's pulling up my fans. All my fans are my fans. So get pulling bottom and we never go back again. Lace up, clean hands on the rap again. Yeah. And when I step into the building, anybody put their motherfucking hands up. It's me like put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Say what? I keep rocking, don't act like you ain't got it. Get some hot shit, you can't knock me. This white bottom, who gon' stop me? ESP, and she like that. Who gon' stop me? You gon' stop me? EST, that's my team, ho. Nah, make some noise for yourself. Hell yeah. And which side is live, or is it this side right here?